Hi, been a while. Today I'm going to be exploring some options. I'm going to be thinking about rebuilding cars. I've seen it before being done in my country, Nigeria, and hopefully it might be available in this city too. So keep watching and hopefully we find what we want. Thank you. I've been doing a little bit of research and I noticed you can actually rebuild cars. So I'm going to be looking for a salvage garage today to see the options they have, and possibly we pick one. We've not planned anything. We're just going to go there and experience it ourselves. We're on a very tight budget, but hopefully we'll be able to pick something up. So you guys keep watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. You're watching Define Luxury. My name is Josh. On my map, it's telling me it's just about 9 minutes away. By the way, we're in Sharjah. Sharjah is an emirate in the UAE. The UAE stands for the United Arab Emirates. Dubai is a neighboring emirate in the UAE, and Sharjah is just the next block away. So right now we're in Sharjah. Hopefully we can get the best deals because we're working on a budget. So let's head on to the garage and see what they have. Thank you. So we just got here, 36 degrees. It's around 9 o'clock in the morning. Sun is about to get hot. 36 degrees. It's pretty hot. I know it can get as high as 40, but today with this heat, I hope it rains. So let's see what we can get. So we just got here and you can see a whole lot of used cars here. Used, no brand new. It's a salvage garage and they also sell used. Some of them are fixed, some are accidented, some are damaged, but we're going to check it out. Come on. Couple of fixed cars introducing us into the salvage garage. Most of these cars have already been fixed, which means they were accidented or brought in a terrible condition, but they've been so far fixed to the driving standard and they are ready to be bought and registered, put on the road, and it's yours. I've been able to identify damaged one so far. Not bad. Right beside me is a pink car with black flamingo written on it. I don't know, but not what I want today. Let's keep moving. A couple of steps further, these two cars actually caught my attention. The Ford Explorer, fixed, but not much we can do on it, and it will be pricier. We need something we can actually fix. Front of the Ford is the Hyundai Veloster. One door on one side and the other side has two doors. It's funny, but fixed. Not what we want today. We want an accidented car we can experiment on. Yeah. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows before we get to our section. So let's keep on looking. This looks good. This. You think we can get this on track?
Yes.
Front damage, windscreen, this glass is missing, airbag on the seats popped up, airbag on the steering, airbag on the dashboard. I think I need to change the whole dashboard. The tires, not bad. The back, not bad. Yeah, we need to change tires. It's not alloy though. The front, the entire front, we need to change the entire front. And this leg. Let's see how it goes. So we have the sale contract. I'm gonna buy it for 19,000. Let's go pay. We bought it, paid for it, and they're about to tow it to the workshop. Let's get to the workshop and see what happens next. Hopefully it favors us. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the general cost of getting it working, registration, everything. Just keep watching. It's going to be fun, I believe. You guys pray for us to get it right, but keep watching. We just got to the garage. A lot of work going on. They even do body works, engines, balancing, wheeling, everything aesthetic, just to get the car running basically on the road. We're going to get the parts now. The car is going to come. We'll drop the car here. After dropping the car, we're going to get the parts and we'll know what's next. Hopefully they can get the car ready within a week or less. Let's see how it goes. And that's the guy helping us today, Usman, and he already gave us a quote. So with this, we'll be able to figure out what we want to get and what we want to do. Usman, hi, say hello to the camera.
Hi.
So Usman owns the Bangladesh Auto Repair Workshop shop. That's it there. That's the phone number too. You can hit them up if in case you get something you want to repair. It's located here in Sharjah, the United Arab Emirates. Hit them up. They always get a good price and they fix your car 100 for you. So unloading the car, we got the car safely into the mechanic's garage. It's a 2020 Kia Soul. Mileage is about 18,000 kilometers. And Usman has given us the quote, so now we're gonna go to the spare part shop if we can get it. If you can tell me where this is in Sharjah, let me know in the comment section. I got a reward for you. Just tell me where this particular place is in Sharjah. I got a reward for you. And in our next video, we'll take you guys through the buying process of the parts, the negotiation skills we had to establish, the delivery of the parts, getting this car fixed thoroughly, and getting it back on the road. Keep watching. This is the Fine Luxury. Thank you.